Meaning of isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a type of triangle that has two sides of equal length and two angles opposite those sides are also equal in measure. In other words, an isosceles triangle can be defined as a polygon with three sides, where two of the sides have the same length. The third side, which is called the base, is usually a different length than the other two sides. Isosceles triangles are commonly used in geometry and can be found in many real-life situations such as in roof construction and in the design of bridges and buildings.